Troopers, it's Robert 28, 1979. See, I got the old gal fired up. 31 degrees, and I had to put the booster on her. I think I'm having glow plug issues on this side. These wires come apart sometimes, but I think they're burned up. I think they're fusing on them. Oh, that wind is killer. You gotta forgive me for the wind, it's kind of burling. I've got the battery charger on this one, and I'm fixing to crank her up here in a minute. I gotta move her out of the way so I can talk to that guy there and pick up some material to do a sign project for the gentleman. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a cold start on this one, and I'm gonna do a video of it. See if I can find a block or something to set y'all on. And I hope it ain't gonna be too windy, but I'm gonna try to set y'all like in the front of that tire, propped up, looking at the tailpipe or something. It's windy so bad, as you see, here it is. Woo! Hey, you probably can't hear me over this wind, but it is a windy. Now let's see here. Let's see what I can find to prop you guys up on out there. And then that bucket's full of oil. Get back on this guy sometime today. I know this morning I cut that hole out, didn't have my exhaust fan on, had the door down. I woke up this morning with a hell of a headache. Which ain't no big deal, I'm kind of used to it. So, well, let's see. We'll try this guy here and see. Good old pulley. See if maybe it'll do the trick. Do what I need to do. If not, well, there's that little bucket right there. I'll just grab that instead. That'll work even better. Yeah, she's been on the charger 40 amp for about 5 minutes. Right back there seems to be about a good spot. Turn the viewfinder and see. Oh yeah. Y'all guys better get a good view there. I got the key. I'm going to crank it up to 200 amp start, and we're going to try to crank her over.